Hello all, welcome to Joobilant. Today we'll guide you step by step on how to enable and use the Rich Text Editor in your Vtiger CRM. Log in to your Vtiger CRM. Go to Settings, then CRM Settings. Navigate to Other Settings and click on Vtiger Rich Text Editor. Click Add New. You have two options here. Either enable rich text editing for an existing field in a module or create a new text area field with rich text editing features. Let's start with the first option, enabling rich text editing for an existing field in a module. From the drop-down menu, choose the module where you want to enable the rich text editor. Select the desired field to enable rich text editing. Click Save. That's it. The Rich Text Editor is now enabled for the selected field in the module. Let's move on to understanding how to use the Rich Text Editor to add and format content in your module fields. Navigate to the CRM dashboard, open the module where you enabled the Rich Text Editor, add a new record in that module, fill out the mandatory fields, and locate the field with rich text editing enabled. Add the details and try to add new features to the text. Enter your text and explore the Rich Text Editor's features to format and enhance your content. Once you've successfully set up rich text editing for an existing field, it's time to move on to the second option. Now let's create a new text area field. Click on Add New Text Area Field. Select the module and select the block. Name the new text area field. Navigate to the CRM dashboard, open the module where you enabled the Rich Text Editor. And that's it! You've successfully enabled and started using the Rich Text Editor in your Vtiger CRM. Thank you for watching.